Looking to upgrade your apartment for 2024? Check out these amazing smart gadgets that can make your life easier, more efficient, and oh so tech-savvy. From automated cleaning to voice-controlled lighting, these Amazon finds are designed to elevate your home experience. As always, links to the products are in the description below, so let's get started. First up, we have the Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This sleek device retrofits over your existing deadbolt, giving you keyless entry, auto lock and unlock features, and remote control from your phone. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, so managing your security has never been easier. Tired of cleaning windows? Let the robot window cleaner handle it for you. With intelligent path planning and powerful suction, this gadget ensures spotless windows every time. It works on glass doors and mirrors too, making it a perfect addition to any smart home setup. Upgrade your home office with this smart electric standing desk. It adjusts to your preferred height with just the push of a button, and the memory settings make switching between sitting and standing a breeze. Plus, it's made from eco-friendly materials, perfect for a modern workspace. Transform your apartment's ambiance with these smart light bulbs. With millions of color options and voice control, you can easily set the mood for a movie night or a cozy reading nook. Sync them with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Next, we have a futuristic addition to your kitchen, the smart refrigerator. It's not just for keeping food fresh. With built-in Alexa, you can control smart devices, stream music, and even plan meals directly from the fridge door. Meet your new cleaning assistant, a robot vacuum and mop combo. With 7,000 PA suction power and a self-emptying feature, it's perfect for keeping your floors spotless. No more bending down to clean. It does it all for you. Say goodbye to manually turning off your devices. With smart plugs, you can control everything from your coffee maker to your lamps with a simple voice command or through the app, saving you both time and energy. Love plants but forget to water them? This smart plant pot takes the guesswork out of gardening. It monitors soil moisture, light levels, and even temperature, so your plants thrive effortlessly. Breathe easier with this advanced smart air purifier. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it removes allergens and pollutants from the air, all while being controlled via your smartphone. It's ideal for improving your home's air quality. Last but not least, meet the smart curtain opener. Control your curtains with a tap on your phone or through voice commands. Set schedules so your curtains open automatically with your morning alarm, giving you the perfect start to your day. These gadgets are just a glimpse of how you can transform your apartment into a smart home for 2024. Whether you're looking to boost security, convenience, or style, these devices have you covered. Be sure to check the description for product links and let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your apartment. Don't forget to like, ring the bell, and subscribe for more smart home tips and reviews.